In today's video, I'll show you how you can install FxSound. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to go here into fxsound.com on your browser. And from here, click on download for Windows. Now, you will be prompted in here wherein you can see the download links. So you can see the version for Windows, which is 64-bit. And this one is for ARM64, so depending on which one you'd want. So as for most of you, you would want this one right here. So this is the standard one. And click on that, and then click here on save. And then once it's now downloaded, just like this one right here, you should now have the FxSound setup, just like this one. You can now click on that. And then you will now be able to run the installer. So it should look something like this. Now you just need to wait for that. As you can see, it is configuring FxSound, so we just need to wait. And then in just a few moments, you will now have FxSound downloaded and installed into your system, just like this one. Now in here, we can click here on the power button. In this way, we would now be able to activate FxSound. So this is what it would look like once activated. So yeah, this is it on how you'd be able to install FxSound.